Welcome to the Commvault channel. In our previous video, we discussed default scratch pool under media by groups. In this video, we will continue discussing other pools under media by groups. Please like, share, comment or suggest. Subscribe for more videos, and you can follow us on Instagram. Let's start with CleaningMedia. The CleaningMedia pool is the logical repository for the CleaningMedia in the library. When you configure a library for the first time, the system creates a CleaningMedia pool for each library. CleaningMedia in the library are displayed here. Let's check the available shortcut menu options. Right-click on the CleaningMedia pool. We do not have much here. As this is the only CleaningMedia pool available, the delete option is grayed out. Add to favorites is to add this pool to my favorites. Select Properties. CleaningMedia Pool Properties window. General tab. CleaningMedia Group Properties. Group name identifies the name of the CleaningMedia group. Library is the name of the library to which the CleaningMedia group is attached. Low watermark for media in the library specifies the minimum number of media that should be available in the CleaningMedia group at all times. These are the available options for CleaningMedia selection criteria. Use new media first specifies that the system will utilize new media first when a cleaning operation requires a CleaningMedia, and if new CleaningMedia is available in the CleaningMedia pool. Use most used media first specifies that the system will reuse the CleaningMedia, which has already been used before, when a cleaning operation requires a CleaningMedia. Default media type specifies the default CleaningMedia type in the library. Barcode patterns. From here, you can add or remove the barcode patterns that must be used to automatically discover media in the library. Available patterns lists the barcode patterns added in the COM cell. The barcode patterns for a COM cell can be added from the Media Management, Barcode Patterns tab. Selected Patterns lists the barcode patterns that must be used to identify media in the library. Use these buttons to add or remove the barcode pattern to the selected patterns list. Let's create a new CleaningMedia group. Right-click on Media by Groups. Hover over New Media Group. Select CleaningMedia Group. As we have already discussed this window, we will quickly fill in the details needed to create a new TempCleaningMedia group. The new TempCleaningMedia group is created successfully. We have no CleaningMedia assigned to this group, but you can now assign CleaningMedia to this pool. Let's review the shortcut menu options. Right-click on the new TempCleaningMedia group. We see the delete option is enabled here. On the CleaningMedia group, the delete option, which was disabled before, is now enabled, which means you can delete this group if you want to. Let's check TempCleaningMedia group properties. All these options are the same as we discussed before, and there is nothing new. Let's delete this group. Right-click on the TempCleaningMedia group. Select Delete. On the Confirm Delete window, if you are sure you want to delete the group, then select Yes. TempCleaningMedia group is successfully deleted. Next group to discuss is RetiredMedia. The RetiredMedia pool is the logical repository for all deprecated media. Media is marked as deprecated when the recycled spare media has been marked as bad, or exceeds the preset thresholds defined for the media, in Media Retirement tab of Hardware Maintenance Thresholds. The system determines whether a media is deprecated during these operations. Let's check the available shortcut menu options for retired media. Right-click on Retired Media. As this is the only retired media group available, the Delete option is grayed out. Select Properties. Retired Group Properties window. General tab. Retired Group identifies the name of the retired group. If necessary, you can modify the name of the media group. Library identifies the name of the library to which the media group is attached. You can perform these operations on the media available in the retired media pool. Let's create a new retired media group. We do not see the option to create a new retired media group. Up next to discuss is Overwrite Protect Media Group. The Overwrite Protect Media pool is a logical repository for media that should not be used for any write operations. The Overwrite Protect Media pool can be used to save media containing aged data, so that the aged data can be restored if necessary. Please note that only spare media can be moved to the Overwrite Protect Media pool. If you wish to save data from media in the assigned media pool, use the Prevent Reuse option to automatically move the media to a designated Overwrite Protect Media pool when the media is recycled. Also note, the ideal way of retaining data is by setting the right data retention rules, or using the Retain the Job option on the storage policy copy. Let's check the available shortcut menu options. Right-click on Overwrite Protect Media Group. Delete option is grayed out, as this is the only named group available. Select Properties. Overwrite Protect Media Group Properties. General tab. Group Name displays the name of the protected media group. If necessary, you can modify the name of the media group. The name of the library to which the media group is attached. Default media type specifies the default media type in the pool. If needed, you can change the media type. You can perform these operations on the media available in the Overwrite Protect Media pool. Let's try create a new Overwrite Protect Media group. Right-click on Media by Groups. Hover over New Media Group. Select Overwrite Protect Media Group. We have already discussed this window, so we quickly fill in the needed details to create a new Overwrite Protect Media group. New Overwrite Protect Media group is created successfully. Let's check the shortcut menu options. All these options are same as the other one. You can keep this media group and delete the other one if needed. For this video, let's delete the temp group. Select Delete. On the Confirm Delete window, if you are sure you want to delete the media group, then select Yes. Temp Overwrite Protect Media group is successfully deleted. We will end this video here. In our next video, we will cover the other media groups. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos, if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.